welcome on my channel. Today we will have another skincare video, and if you are a subscriber, you know that I've already made a lot of videos about different acids such as hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid or glycolic acid, and today we will focus on Mandelic acid, and I'm actually collaborating with the brand Wishtrend, so at the end we will have a really nice and super easy giveaway where you can win a Mandelic acid and also something else. So I will tell you all the rules and everything at the end of the video, and now we will talk about what is Mandelic acid, and later on I'll show you how I use it in my skincare routine, and I will show you the whole evening skincare routine with Mandelic acid. And if you are new on this channel, I would like to kindly ask you to subscribe and also leave the like so that more people can see this. And now, without further ado, let's move on to the video. So what is Mandelic acid? Mandelic acid belongs to this family of acids called alpha hydroxy acid, and in the shorter version just AHA, and it's coming from bitter almonds. And Mandelic acid is literally the most gentle AHA we can find on the market. It's way more gentle than glycolic acid or a lactic acid, and that is why it's suitable for all the skin types, including the very dry and sensitive skin, which I know the people with skin like this are struggling with acids usually, but this is actually the acid for you. But literally it's for everyone, from dry to very oily and acne prone. So as you know by now, Mandelic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, which, as all the other AHAs, it exfoliates the layer of the dead skins by breaking the bonds between cells to reveal the brighter and cleaner and clearer and more beautiful skin. Now let's talk about all the benefits the Mandelic acid has for our skin. And first is that it promotes the cell turnover by reducing the look of skin damage or acne. So if you have an acne skin, it is also very good for you. It brightens the skin, it clears our pores by penetrating really deep into our skin. It reduces the hyperpigmentation such as dark marks or sun damage. It strengthens the collagen. It is very good with fine lines and in general with anti-aging. It's also amazing for people who are fighting with acne because it regulates the sebum production and it has antibacterial properties. And who can use the Mandelic acid? As I said before, literally everyone, because it is suitable for dry and sensitive, normal, oily and acne prone skin, so whatever skin type you have. And especially if you try glycolic acid, salicylic acid or lactic acid in the past and you feel like it is too strong for you, Mandelic acid might be a good option for you if you're looking for a chemical exfoliant. When it comes to how often you use Mandelic acid, it really depends on our skin and on our needs, but I would say 1 to maximum twice a week is enough. It works really well with hyaluronic acid, so if you already have hyaluronic acid, you can easily combine them two together in one skincare, and also with any other hydrators. But there are a few products that we shouldn't combine Mandelic acid with, such as all the other AHAs, all the other BHAs, and also any retinol. So those are the things that we cannot combine Mandelic acid with, but as I said, we can combine it, for example, with hyaluronic acid or any other hydrators. So I hope by now all of you knows what is Mandelic acid, and it's time to explain you the rules of my giveaway. I'm so excited to host this giveaway. So in my giveaway, you can win 2 products. First is the Mandelic acid 5% Skin Prep Water by Wishtrend, and the other product is Dr. Claire's Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. And the rules are super simple. You just need to follow Wishtrend on Instagram, you need to follow me on Instagram, subscribe my channel, and in the comment section down below, just type what is your Instagram account so we can check if you actually follow me and the brand. And that's it. And we will send those 2 products to 10 people. But as you know, my channel is not very big, so the chances are really high. Anyway, it's time now to remove my makeup and do my evening skincare, where I will show you how I use Mandelic acid and how I use the cleansing oil. So see you in my bathroom. Hi, so I'm already in my bathroom, and excuse the noise, it's just this like super annoying fan. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hands, obviously, especially nowadays. And to do so, I'm going to use this Claire's Daily Comfort Hand Wash, and I really like how it looks like, and it also smells really nice, so let's do that. So now when my hands are clean, we can move on to taking the makeup off, and to do so I will use this Claire's Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. I am a huge fan of oil cleansers because I feel like after cleaning it with oil, I am just sure that my face is clean. Like with just using gel, I don't feel like it's clean enough. So I'm just going to use 2 pumps of that product, and I'm going to apply it on my face. So when I look like a proper panda, we can add a little bit of water onto our hands, and so we can just remove it. And that's done, so we can move on to the rest of the skincare. I'm back from the bathroom, and now it's time for the micellar water, and today I will use the Rovectin Clean Marine Micellar Deep Cleansing Water, and all the products that I'm using today are from the Wishtrend, so if you would like to purchase any of that, I will put all the links down below. And you know that I'm not really a fan of like cotton pads. I don't see a reason for it, it's just a waste of money and it's really bad for the environment, so I'm just gonna put a few drops onto my hands. I already cleaned my hands, so it's all good. I'm just gonna tap it onto my face, and we can move on to the next step, which will be obviously the Mandelic acid. And today I will use the Mandelic acid 5% skin prep water from Wishtrend, obviously, and this is the product that you can win in the giveaway, as well as the cleansing oil. Again, I will use it in the same way that I used the micellar water. I'm just gonna put a few drops onto my hands, and I'm gonna tap it into my face. And of course my neck, because my neck is also the area where the pimples are actually appearing weirdly. And also, you know, neck is a part of our face, so we should take care of it the same way, or maybe even more, to be fair, because the skin here is thinner than on your face. And now when this is done, we can move on to the fun part, which will be moisturizing our face. And the first product I'm going to use will be this rice serum from I Am From, and the package is so cute. By the way, all the products that I'm using today are cruelty free, and they are all from Korea. So I'm just going to use 2 pumps of that serum, and I'm going to apply it onto my face, including the eyes area as well. All the products has no smell or anything, which is really good, because you know the smell can actually irritate your skin even more. Of course, my neck. And on to the next one. My last step will be moisturizing my face, and here I have 2 products, so I'm switching between 2 of them. It is either the Claire's Rich Moist Soothing Cream or the rice cream from I Am From, and today I will just use the Claire's, but sometimes I use the rice one. You know, it really depends. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that cream on my hand, I'm gonna rub it and apply it on my face, and of course the area around the eyes as well as my neck, and maybe even a little bit of this part here. So my face is done, but this is not the end, because the last but not the least is obviously a hand cream. Hand cream is really important because the skin on your hands is really thin and it really needs a little bit of an extra care, and putting the hand cream is something that became like my habit. So every evening before I go to sleep, I have this hand cream next to my bed, so I just use it every single evening and also every single morning. And today I will use this Claire's Daily Comfort Hand Cream. And now we are done, we can go to sleep or we can watch Netflix. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this video, and also don't forget to take part in a giveaway because I am so excited to host it, alright? And I'm so excited to like actually ship something to someone. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you do so. If you have any question, obviously let me know in the comment section down below. Follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!